Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about SQL versus NoSQL. So the SQL databases uses the tabular relational model to represent data and their relationship, where the NoSQL database does not use the tabular relational model. So the key differences between SQL and NoSQL are: so the SQL databases uses the relational database model, where the NoSQL uses non-relational or distributed database, and the SQL databases are vertically scalable, where the NoSQL databases are horizontally scalable, and the SQL databases are best suited for the complex queries, and the NoSQL databases are not so good for complex queries because the NoSQL databases are not as powerful as the SQL queries. The SQL databases have fixed, static or predefined schema, where the NoSQL has dynamic schema, and the SQL databases are known as table-based database because the SQL databases display the data in the form of table. That's why it is called table-based database, where the NoSQL uses collection of key value pair, document, graph database or a wide column stores. The SQL databases are not best suited for the hierarchical data storage, where the NoSQL databases are best suited for hierarchical data storage. The SQL databases uses the very powerful structured query language to define and manipulate the data, where in NoSQL databases the collection of documents are used to query the data. That's why it is also called unstructured query language. And lastly, some examples of the SQL databases are MySQL, Oracle, SQLite and MS SQL, where the example of NoSQL database are MongoDB, Bigtable, Redis, RavenDB, etc. So these are all the key differences between the SQL database and NoSQL database. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.